Hey everyone, want to track time in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to record work hours, monitor productivity, and manage time more effectively using ClickUp step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, make sure time tracking is enabled in your ClickUp workspace settings. Now open the task where you want to track your working time. Click the *time tracking ** option and start the timer when you begin working on the task. This helps you record exactly how much time is spent on each activity. While working, pause the timer when you take breaks and stop it when the task is completed. You can also manually add time entries if you forgot to start the timer or need to record previous work. Next, review your track time inside tasks to understand how much effort each project activity requires. Use ClickUp reports and dashboards to analyze time spent by tasks, team members, projects, or specific date ranges. For team projects, check time tracking data to understand workload distribution and identify areas where processes can be improved. Next, use your time reports to estimate future projects, improve planning, and create more accurate deadlines. Finally, review your time tracking habits regularly and adjust your workflow to improve productivity. And that's how to track time in ClickUp. By recording work hours and analyzing time data, you can improve project planning, manage resources better, and create a more efficient workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.